Hello and welcome to the channel. What a Bird Thought? What a Bird Thought is a reflective poem about a bird's changing perspective on the world as it grows from a helpless chick to a more independent adult. The poem uses the bird's evolving experiences as a metaphor for human development and how one's understanding of the world changes with age and exposure to new experiences. First stage, innocence and security. The poem begins with the bird living in a little house, which symbolizes its early life, possibly in an egg or a confined protective space. At this stage, the bird's perception of the world is limited and simple. The bird thinks the world is small and round, like a pale blue shell. This represents its small, confined world with no awareness of the vastness beyond. Second stage, comfort and protection. Next, the bird moves to a little nest where it feels safe and nurtured, perhaps under the care of its mother. In this stage, the bird's view of the world is still limited but more comforting. It believes the world is made of straw, symbolizing the simplicity and comfort of the nest, which provides protection and warmth. The bird is content and does not seek anything beyond this secure environment, thinking it is all it needs. Third stage, curiosity and discovery. As the bird matures, it ventures beyond the nest. When it flutters from the nest, the bird starts to explore the world around it. It now realizes that the world is made of leaves, an important discovery that marks its growing curiosity. The bird reflects on how it had been blind to the complexity of the world earlier, symbolizing the shift from innocence to awareness and the recognition that there is much more to life than it once understood. Fourth stage, uncertainty and wisdom. Finally, as the bird flies even farther from the safety of the tree, it reaches a point where it no longer knows how the world is made. The bird admits that it, like its neighbors, can't fully understand the world. This admission highlights the complexities of life and suggests that no matter how much one grows or experiences, there will always be mysteries that can't be fully comprehended. Themes and reflection. The poem reflects on the process of growth and discovery. The bird's journey from safety and simplicity to a broader, more complex world mirrors the human experience of maturing. It addresses themes of innocence, curiosity, and the limits of knowledge. The bird's realization that it does not know how the world is made, even after growing and exploring, suggests that as one matures, understanding becomes more complicated and some mysteries remain unsolved. The poem invites readers to reflect on their own experiences of discovery and how their perceptions of the world have changed over time.